Hi guys, today I wanted to teach you how to make mini UFO candy cuff. So you're going to start with egg-based cuff. I'd recommend not using small bits in the eggs part and making the cuff a little bit bigger. Make sure to not tie off your cuff. You are going to customize it later. Now you're going to squish it and pull loom and hooks between it. Do it with whole cuff. You can use thread instead of hooks if you don't have them. Flip it out and make it tight, of course. Put your string in the outstanding bit closest to string. I'm putting it through orange bit if it got confusing. Now green bit, and it's time to custom.